Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish and I be Trouble. And if you're a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past. You ruined everything.
Alright, it is Shady Friday. So we're getting shady with the Beauty Ninjas. This is a collab. You will find the playlist in the description box below. Please go check out the other ladies. They all have some amazing looks. And yeah. So this week was Alice Lynn's week, and her the colors that she picked were teal, orange, and pink. And I chose to use the Electrum Cosmetics Dark Winter palette. And these are the shades. So I used Arctic Dark Winter. I used Ira. I don't know if you can tell, but that shifts pink and teal. I used the Winter shade, which shifts orange. And I use the Winter Winds, which shifts teal to pink. This is the shade Arctic, and I used that to go in my crease and my outer corner here, and then I ran it underneath my lash line there.
Just hold on tight, we'll be fine. The water is so still, have a seat and chill. Watch the birds fly away, we'll see them another day. The water is so still, have a seat and chill. Watch the birds fly away, we'll see them.
And then this is the Dark Winter shade. It is a little bit darker, and I just kind of used it to darken my outer corner just the slightest bit.
I see your lights, how they shine so bright. It's so beautiful at night. Walk with me, see the scenery.
This is the Ira shade, which I put on my outer corner of my mobile lid here.
How they shine so bright.
This is the Winter shade, and as you can see, it is orange shifting. It has a teal and orange shift. And I use that in the middle of my lid and on the lower lash line on the outer corner there.
Walk with me, see the scenery. Oh, from a bridge, I see your lights, how they shine so bright. Everything will be alright, just hold on tight, we'll be fine. These overcast skies will be the death of me.
And then this is Winter Winds, and it is pink and blue shifting.
Could rescue me.
And I use that in the inner part of my lid and in the inner corner.
The sun comes out, it melts my doubts that there will ever be a day where you don't know the right thing to say. Oh, from a bridge, I see your lights.
And to kind of keep the theme going, I used the orange ColourPop liner in my waterline. It's not that great. I really wish they would bring back the old formula. I don't care that it was a little bit soft. Like, these suck. They stay there for about half a second. You gotta apply them every 5 seconds. They're not good. Bring back the old formula. So, these are the shades that I used. And on camera, they don't look teal. When I looked it up, that was teal. I looked it up on my phone. What is teal? Because I was going to use like a lighter minty color. And I was like, oh, that's not the right color. So, this is the look I came up with. Alright, so that is it for my Shady Friday look. Again, this was Alice's week. And the colors were teal, orange, and pink. Let me know. How do you think I did? Alright. And again, this is a collab with the Beauty Ninjas. And the link to the playlist will be in the description box. Please go check everyone out. And go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that fun stuff is below as well. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the